Morning everybody, you alright? Right, video this morning, Bond. The other day, Tuesday, my day off, I managed to grab a bit of time on it. I pulled a water pump like leg or arm off and all that, and I dropped that. I had to pull pulley off, it were absolutely solid. I had to drill a bolt out at water pump. It was a bit of fun and games, but I've done a bit of something together, and then really I've got my first batch of stuff now. You'll see where I chucked it on bench. I can start blasting up, refinishing, stuff like that. Got what is it together, such as some brick wheel cylinders, and so it's heading in the right direction, but I'm trying to do a thorough look at this. I'm trying to leave a thorough manual behind, to be quite honest. So I don't know how long video will end up, but if you want to watch. If not, I've managed to pick a few bits spares up for it as well, because obviously once this car's done, it wants a little spares catalogue for its send, so it can just keep it sent alive. So keep watching, thank you very much. So see what you think anyway. No doubt you'll comment some of you. Thank you. Up everybody, I've just managed to grab a bit of time on Bond. I'm just dropping this water pump assembly. So I'll just show you that goes on there. I've dropped it like now, they have bolts for it, everything were pretty well seized. Well, I got them all off. I couldn't see the point in watching you struggle with me doing stuff like that, but interestingly there were a 9/16 nut here, and it got like a slot. It looks like somebody had actually chiselled it. Probably done it factory like that, and that locked on there. That must have locked on with a big washer to help. I think it must have supported that piece off water pump. Now, obviously, other side there were. I'm wading through it now. There was a bracket here, which were a long bolt which goes into a captive back there. So I'm just trying to get a bundle of blasting stuff together to get some blasting. Obviously take this pulley off. This is a bit crippled and well, it's all over, but I'll throw that up. I'll make a job out of that. You know, God knows what. There'll have been barring on it, weren't there, to get pipes off, etc. And I'll get this pipe out of the way, and then that'll give me like arm here to blast. It'll give me lower arm here to blast, because it's like a sandwich how it works. And then this will be off. These look pretty rough, but I think when I've got nuts off the other side, I'm pretty confident they'll lock nuts, but I'm sure we'll sort. Another one's got a slot. So I wonder if there's been a problem, like with these are coming undone or something. Yeah, I bet there is, you know. And obviously that pulley will have to come off. Well, we'll sort it all. We'll sort it, but I just thought it'd be worth showing you this bit. I mean, there's obviously it'll all be in manual how you could do it, but I've just stacked through it myself just to get all stuff for plaster. Catch you in a bit. Just going to show you this. I've got water pump arrangement. I've obviously took these nuts off. I've got other side off back like I show you. But I'm going to let these soak because I do need this off. But to be honest, to get on this pulley, I really need this out of the way to grab it right. And if you look here, I've just got arm, which is important because this will be blasted. So will be all this. And I've got arm in somewhere. Is it soft grab jaws? So that'll do that. I've got all nuts off. They've all come free. I'm going to leave it now. And then somehow I'm going to try and get these. I'm going to try and put a bit of Ross shock on and see how they go on. And let's wriggle that off and I'll fetch you back. It's just something of interest because, I mean, no doubt imp lads will tell me a completely different tale, but that'd be appreciated. But this is Bond in it, so let's see how we go. Right, I'm bringing it in on this. Look, I've had to put this pulley on to get this off. Absolutely solid. I don't want to put heating because I don't want to knacker up out thing. Now listen, I've pulled here and I've crushed it. Same here. And same here. Right, now. In a way, I'm glad I've done that because what I'm going to show you I have something I've made that will fetch all that back up and throw it up. So, what looks an horror story and everybody like jumps about, gets panicking, I'm going to show you a straightforward fix on this on a later video on building of this car. But it's important this pump's all took apart, all this air, because these have issues all around here. Now we're going to make sure everything's 120%, so when it's back in car we're not messing about with it. So stick around and keep watching. Like, it'll probably go on and on and on and on and on and on forever, this resto. But we're going to use as little new stuff as we can, but we're going to make it right. So keep watching, folks. Right, everybody, I've got these off, but I have lost a bolt. So that one's sheared off. I had to use what is it? It was that out of shape. I lost it. So right, so but luckily I've got a bit of movement, so I can get that, wriggle this round and get it off. I want to salvage everything off this car. I want to keep everything 120%. So, and then when I've got this wriggled about and free, which is, because it's got all the end of the day, all the problem lies with, is I've got steel bolts going through aluminium. So I'll get that off, and then I'll get that out, and then everything's ready, and everything can be sorted, blasted, done, whatever. I'm just showing you issues you get. And there's not just me who gets them, everybody does. Somebody will probably tell me different, but I appreciate a comment. Right, I'm going to show you this here. Look, I think that's a crack, not a casting. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this bolt out anyway and have a look, because I might need part of this. I might not. I ain't got a clue. I don't know how they work, or I might have to get another pump. So, but that to me looks very much like, can't get a light right on it. Yeah, I think that's a crack. So, we will see. Fetch you all back in a bit. Right, fetching everybody back in here now, look, with this water pump. Right, I've managed to get that and drill it out. Now, if we've got a problem here, I will obviously find out when I park the pump, but I've had no choice. If this is the road we're going down, we're going to show you how to rebuild everything we've got. I managed to drill it out, so I've got casting, got everything. If I get rid of this Woodruff key, we should be able to part it. I'll leave it soaking on that bearing. And let's see what happens. Yes, there'll be fun and games there, and there'll be fun and games on that side to pull off. So, because I think I'm only ever going to get a rebuild kit for it anyway. So, it does look quite rusty down there. I can't see, I ain't going to lie. Well, I could show you. But, catch a bit. Right, so I've got a batch now ready for blasting, which will be next thing you see. I'd like the throwing up on this to do, which I will keep videos and show you how I've done that. These are bits, that mounts my dash. Air filter, that's just obviously something to do with engine mount. Air filter, pump for refurb. That's the piece I drilled out that I managed to get out. That'll be something to do with gearbox mount. That's water pump mounting equipment. They're side steps, they're just going to be trued up. They'll be blasted as well. So I've got my first batch of refurbishing stuff. And there's a few bits and pieces in here and stuff like that you've probably seen before. And so that's Bond. Another bit of time grabbed on it. A little bit further and something else. Well, eventually I'm going to start get some new boxes now. Start getting stuff finished, showing you why it's finished. Get it in boxes, get it wrapped up, and just keep moving forward. So catch you all in a bit anyway. Give us a like if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this little car being just taken to pieces and coming together. Because that's all it is. Some of these look horror stories. People try and throw stuff away like this. You'll be amazed when I tidy up. Same with these brakes. Just refurbed. They'll be brand new. Built up onto hubs then. And right, so pass any comment you want to know. Catch you all later.